asuntosykeyhtiö ohjasi.
Yeah, and today is the 24th of July 2021. We got inside the Valjaskatu 2 stickers B. And the previous one was Rakunakatu 10, which is taken as a CNF. And we have also filmed here in Metsäkangas, Valjaskatu, Finland, with 8 floors. And the capacity is 4 persons up to 320 grams. Oh, I like this color, it's like green-brown.
Yeah.
Built in 1975, turned 45 years old in last year, 2020. It's very the mid-1970s. The serial number is H35640.84 simple. The base in 2023. Someone is.
Yeah.
Five and 6 were broken.
Yeah. But one is now.
Yeah, because it was too busy. Because someone came on the front floor.
Yeah.
On the way down you can press.
Yeah.
And it doesn't light up also.
Yeah.
But I like the color in here.
Same.
It's like an army color.
Yeah.
It's very typical of the late 1960s until mid 1970s.
Yeah.
Also late 70s, of course.
Yeah.
And even in 1980 I've seen it, I think. Yes, in Lauttasaari. The same color almost. Vattuniemi.
Yeah.
Where we guess where we found the code also,
On.
I think. And I think those were from And let's go back to the ground floor. But oh yeah, you can press.
Iskut pakki mais, mutta me teen pakka on.
Yeah.
That's it.